But it's important to remember that this is America. Wow. It feels like absolutely everything has changed. It's incredible. We're 1 week on the other side of a historic election, and all that tension that was in the air just 7, 8 days ago has kind of gone down, dissipated. A shift has happened, and we're excited, or some of us are excited and some of us are sad. But what matters is that we've moved forward as a society, that we've gone through this crucible and stepped into what is next in front of us. The unfortunate reality, however, for so many of us, is that the systems that created that tension, the systemic oppression, the institutional racism, the discomfort that we feel in dialoguing around our issues, and the bad faith efforts to participate in democracy for all, those things still exist. Now we can move forward, and I hope we can move forward together. But it's important to remember that this is America. And what happened a week ago doesn't really change who we are. Reckoning and understanding who we are is the first step to stepping in the right direction. Now, I understand if that makes you uncomfortable. If yoga does anything, it makes us uncomfortable. Shining a light or a reflection on ourselves and those around us. And sitting in that discomfort is where the work gets done. So, it's a relief. It's also a reminder. Celebrate the joys in your life, but do the work to move forward. All right, guys.